Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a sound sensor in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. This is a sound sensor. It has two modes, a digital mode, where it detects if the sound crosses a threshold, and an analog mode, where it measures the amount of sound being played. To test and use your sound sensor, we'll be needing these simple components: the sound sensor, some jumper cables, an LED, the Arduino, a USB cable, and a breadboard. Here's a diagram of the connections you'll need to make. Pause here if you need more time. Now, open up your IDE and copy-paste the code included in the link in the description below. The first one demonstrates the use of the digital mode. Clap or make a loud sound to turn it on and off. Next is the analog mode. After you've uploaded it, head to the corner of the IDE and enable the serial plotter. You should now be able to see a line graph of the sound waves being produced. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.